What's your name? Pluto. Do you enjoy long romantic walks?
Yes, to the bridge.
What's your love advice on today's generation?
Don't fall in love. You will cry.
What is your love language?
Sharing reels?
Imong migo na paaka ng bitin. Nya para maluwas siya, kailangan mo supsupon ng binom. Imo supsupon.
Oo, supsupon ko para maluwas siya.
Diyapon ko eh.
Di jud ka. Nya umigo saon man.
Bahala siya.
I like, imo siyang tabangan, careful and buhaton mo ang tanan ba para lang maluwas po siya.
Oo sir.
Depende. Tunay siya ako supsupon.
Oo, para maluwas siya. Kung kamatin na nagit siya, susupo na lang.
Para
Maluwas siya.
Oh, supsupon din ako.
ano man,
Para maluwas akong amigo.
best friend man sa.
Yes, best friend.
Pero ang binom naman siyang notch.
Giyot. Bullshit. Dili na.
Imo supsupon di.
Cancel na lang.
Pero ang binom naman siyang notch.
Di uy.
Ano man?
Bahala sa duroy. Lain sin kaya na eh.
Ganun lain man.
No, sige to.
Siyang harapit note na.
Notch ba? Na siyang notch.
Oh.
Lisod mo. Basta walay makabalo. Okay.
Ah, sumusupsop pero ang walay makabalo. Kanang kamura do ah.
Oo.
Pero ang binom naman siyang notch. Imo gyapon supsupon.
Ay, lisod mo doy. Delikado. Okay lang nasa ka na lawas pero delikado doy.
Pon.
Di ko eh.
Ano man?
Lain na na.
Di mo migon saon man.
Bahala na jay.
Nya suod man kay nimo.
Okay,
Huwag tang siya.
Okay ray. Di ko.
Bahala na lang to siya eh. Oh, bahalag suod kay Bim. Mangita lang maglain nga makatabang niya.
Kinsa man?
Lain na sa mong amigo. Lain na pasupsupo. Di ko pasupsupo.
Ang pangailangan jud na tabangan, supsupon jud.
Sig na siyang notch.
Oo.
So imo siya supsupsop.
Oo, supsupon jud po.
Supsop na lang ka. Para
Maluwas ang amo.
maura mo tayo makaluwas niya, supsupon nimo.
Di, sadya na siya eh.
Then supsupon na lang nimo.
Para maluwas ang best friend.
Shout out ko sa akong team na Fire Springdale. Join mo sa Titans Run.
What is the biggest scam in the world? What is the best feeling in the world? We are in a noisy environment right now, which makes the smartphone's built-in audio hard to hear. So we'll use this Mayono PD200W microphone instead. We've already connected the receiver to the camera, so let's turn it on. And now the audio you're hearing is coming straight from the PD200W connected to the phone. This mic has 3 levels of noise cancellation, which helps solve audio issues in noisy outdoor environment. So let's test it. Who is your biggest enemy?
Bills.
I'll do a quick comparison between the built-in smartphone audio versus the Mayono PD200W with noise cancellation. First, this is the built-in smartphone audio you're hearing now. And now, this is the Mayono PD200W with noise cancellation. Outdoor noise can ruin your video quality. A professional microphone like this is essential for better audio and higher production value. Guys, this is the Mayono PD200W hybrid microphone. It supports multi-device connectivity with USB-C, XLR, or 2.4 GHz wireless. You can also customize your sound and save preset directly in the Mayono Link app. Plus, you get up to 60 hours of battery life and a stable wireless connection up to 60 meters. This is the PD20W hybrid microphone, and it's honestly one of the easiest mics I've ever used because it's fully plug and play. No complicated setup. Just long press the mic to turn it on, plug the receiver into your phone, and that's it. You're all set in under 10 seconds. Zero hassle. For me, the PD20W is all you need if you want that clean, professional sound anywhere. This is the Mayono PD20W hybrid microphone. Ate, saan ka mag-outing ngayong summer?
Sa loob ng bahay.
Ang saya niyan, ate. Ate, nag-workout ka ba?
Yes naman. After work, out agad.
Ano ang gusto mo sa isang lalaki?
Ano? Yung nagchat-chat kahit cover photo pamilya niya.
What is the most emotional part of your body?
My stomach.
Right now, I'm recording this audio with no wires or XLR cable, just a complete wireless connection straight to my phone. And it sounds so good. This is the Mayono PD200W hybrid microphone. So you can connect it three ways: USB Type-C, XLR, or 2.4 GHz wireless. It's super easy to use and it's plug and play. It can also reach up to 60 meters. Yes, you heard that right. This is the Mayono PD200W hybrid microphone. If you're interested, I'll link it down below. Name one thing that you can only do once in your life.
Jump on an airplane without parachute.
Name one thing that has no use. Correct! Name one thing that woman created.
8 billion people.
For you, who is a doctor?
A person who kills your ills with pills and later with bills.
What triggers your crazy side to come out?
Nouns.
Nouns?
Yes, people, places, and things.
There's a promise ring, and there's a wedding ring, and there's a proposal ring. Which one are you wearing right now?
Suffering.
Have you ever heard of the evil eye?
Yes.
Are you scared of it?
No.
Why?
Because I'm the evil.
What is the only oil you can afford right now?
Oily skin.
Thankful ka ba na may trabaho ka?
Thankful naman. Thankful ako na may trabaho ako. Pero everyday talaga.
Ano ang pambansang laro ng Pilipinas?
Pambansang laro ng Pilipinas. Ikolmon.
How would you describe your patience?
My patience is as long as my sleep.
Did you sleep long?
No?
Tay, ano ang long-term plan mo?
Hindi na nga ako bumibili ng green bag ko. Baka hindi ko maabutan ng init.
Boss, pangutan di ka? Positive ka or negative?
Negative.
Sure ka?
Sure ka, boss?
Nya, para nimo mo sa tanaw sa laing tao nimo.
Basin.
Boss na ako ipakita picture nimo. Nya, sultiin mi kung unsa imong tanaw niya. Positive or negative?
Negative na.
Ansa?
Negative.
Ngano nakaingon magka negative?
Hindi adik. Lantalo ko siya na, medyo macho.
Ansa? Nya ikaw negative ka or positive?
Negative.
Nya para nimo mo sa tanaw sa laing tao nimo.
Bahala nila. Kailan lantalo sa kuha.
Boss na ko ipakita picture nimo. Nya sultiin mi kung unsa imong tanaw niya. Positive or negative?
Yawan siya ka na may istorya sad.
Hindi, para nimo lang. Tanaw lang nimo.
Positive.
Ngano nakaingon ka positive?
Ang panit, ito naman good.
Nya ikaw positive ka or negative?
Aligat yun.
Nya para nimo mo sa tanaw sa laing tao nimo. Na ko ipakita picture nimo. Nya sultiin mi kung unsa imong tanaw niya. Positive or negative?
Muro mag... positive na, Dol.
Ano man?
Positive, malipayon ra kayo. Yalawam na kay kandiis ba?
Nya ikaw sam ka positive or negative?
Negative.
Nya para nimo mo sa tanaw sa laing tao nimo.
Mao kay botan ang tag na ang good, may man may lan.